Hi guys, Lee here from the fashion and lifestyle blog LegalLee Blonde. I've scoured the aisles of London drugs to find all the best lipsticks in this year's Pantone Color of the Year, Living Coral. And I'm excited to share them with you here today. So let's start swatching. My personal favorite is the Elizabeth Arden Sheer Kiss Lip Oil in Coral Caress, and there's a matching Elizabeth Arden Plump Up Lip Liner in Kiss of Coral. So this lip oil is super hydrating and it's not greasy, which is really nice. And then of course, you've got the matching lip liner. So I'm gonna put this one on to show you guys what it's like. So next we have the Shiseido LacquerInk LipShine in Coral Spark. So this is from the new Shiseido makeup relaunch, and it is a beautiful lacquer-like shine and really high color saturation. Now we've got the Clinique Pop Matte Lip Color and Primer in Coral Pop. So very exciting, Clinique is now available at 19 London drugstores and at londondrugs.com. So this one is a primer and a lipstick all in one, so it's really comfortable on your lips. So this beautiful one is the L'Oreal Color Riche Shine Lipstick in Luminous Coral. So this is a great budget lipstick in coral, and I love the super glossy finish. And last but not least, we've got the COVERGIRL Outlast All Day Color and Lip Gloss in Coral Crave. So this is another affordable option, and it's really long lasting. So there you go, 5 lip products that are all in the Pantone Color of the Year, Living Coral. If you want to try them out, you can find them all at londondrugs.com. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more videos featuring Living Coral eyeshadows, blushes, and nail polishes. See you soon.